Welcome to OT Tricks and Tips for Kids, where we're taking OT to the next level. My name is Katina Lottis. Remember, if you don't see your topic, just write in so that I can address it. And please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's take a look at a problem solution video. This tip focuses on kids with highly sensitive feet. This is one video in a video series, so please take a look through the different strategies to see which one best suits your child. Now, if you have not tried the nylon trick, you might want to try this. If you have a child that absolutely flat out refuses to wear socks, they might do okay with a seamless nylon on first and then the sock on over it. The nylon is going to provide a physical barrier from the sock. So typically they're tight, they're fitted, so there might be some acceptance of the comfort. And with this extra layer, a child may do better tolerating a thicker sock, especially if we're looking at colder temperatures. So you can put the nylon on your child's foot, see how they do with that, and then put the sock over it. So give this trick a try. It's very outside the box, but for some kids it can be really useful. Let's move our minds and go crazy.